Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we have something different. A lot of us in the INFINITI community have been waiting for this for a very long time, and finally here. Special thank you to AMS and AMS Performance for sending this. I believe there's only 4 of us that have got this intake system right here, and without further ado, let's cut this open. See what we got in here. Nice. First things first, we got the air box. Now, watching some of the videos and the pictures, what I noticed is the air box is sealed up, so you're not going to get any excess heat going into the filter, causing it to give you any issues like some of the other intake systems did. Now this is, as far as I can see, comparing it to the other ones, it does seem like it's more of an OEM fitment type, and I think this is going to work out perfectly. So what else we got in the box? Silicone tubes in here. Now these are designed for performance, and at the same time being able to drive the vehicle without any issues. Now I know a lot of people that had the other intake systems in the past did have some issues where the vehicle would get too much hesitation, I could say, and at one point or another you get a big kickback from the intake system at the same time. Let's see what else we have here. Second air box. I gotta say the packaging is amazing. These guys have been working on this for a very long time, and the fact that they take their time to R&D all their products to ensure that the fitment's there and the performance is there is what puts a lot of people at ease. Got all the clamps and everything in here. Put these aside. I want to go back to the air box again. I can't seem to mention as much as I want as far as how amazing these look, especially given the fact that they are closed off. All you're going to get is direct air into the air box, as you can see. Got the air filter inside already, closed off, backed up I should say, but I can't wait to slap these on tomorrow. I just want to do a quick unboxing video, show you guys what these look like really quick before we go and put these on. It's about 11:30 here in Cali. Kind of tired, so I'm probably going to call it an early day, but I'm going to definitely put these on tomorrow, and there'll be another video coming. And again, special thank you to AMS and AMS Performance on these. Congratulations to the other 3 guys or 2 guys that got the system as well. Can't wait to see what they sound like. Thank you guys.